This video demonstrates how to install a WordPress theme in your local machine using Apache XAMPP. Explore to the path of the themes. Once you're there, copy your themes folder that you find in the downloaded zip file of the theme that you purchased from a marketplace or a commercial theme provider. Once you have copied the theme, you would need to go to your admin area of your WordPress. Click on Appearance, then Themes. You should see the new theme listed there. Click on the Activate button. Once you have activated the theme, you would need to install the required plugins. Click Begin installing plugins. Select all plugins and choose Install, then click Apply. If you have encountered a warning, you can download all plugins to your computer and copy plugins into Plugins folder which located in the Content folder of the WordPress. Once you have downloaded all plugins, explore to the path of the plugins. Once you're there, copy plugins folders there. You would need to go to your admin area of your WordPress again. Then go to Plugins. Click Inactive to show all inactive plugins, then select all plugins and choose Activate, then click Apply. If there are some plugins still inactive, retry to activate it one by one. Now you can preview the new theme.